What's going on, guys? So right now I'm headed to Import Expo, Washington DC. Luckily your boy is on bags because the roads in DC is no game, guys. It's no game. So wish me luck. Bag life. Hashtag bag life for real. What's going on, guys? So I just made it to Import Expo, Washington DC. Thank Lord my car was on bags because those big dips in the roads was ridiculous. And they repaved it and did a terrible job. So it is what it is. Hashtag bag life. Thank you, Lord, I'm on bag because my car would have been done. But the car's like right above me. Like you just go up these stairs right here, and the car's like right up above me. So I came out here to talk to you guys because you can't hear Jack upstairs. I know you guys can hear the music now, but I can't hear Jack up there. So about to walk around and show you guys what they have here. And this is my car right here, as you guys can see, but it is echoing in here, and the lighting situation in here sucks. It really does. That's how the car looks. You got this 350 with the crazy exhaust right here. I was rolling in with this car. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys, the lighting in here sucks. It's like no lighting in here, so I don't know. There's a couple of nice cars in here that I see, but we got a Miata right here. Slam to the ground. You guys might not be able to hear me as well because it is loud, but I don't know how he made it to DC, but he's doing all right. A nice EP3 right here. Got a K-Series in here. Hydro dip valve cover. A short ram intake. On bag. Got the Bryce's harness in the back. It looks nice.
Si tú no lo saludas se siente mal.
Turbo DC5. This is very nice and clean, guys. I really like this. This is basically a side winder setup. So basically it hooks up to the back of the header, right back there, and then it comes out to the side, so the turbo shows right there. Really nice setup. And then you gotta see the blow valve right there, and the intercooler goes to the intercooler piping right there. Clean. Definitely likes how it looks. Hope you guys can hear me now, because somebody turned down the music, but this is a very clean setup. I like what he did with this. Real nice. Got some meaty tires. CCWs. Looks nice. Looks real nice. Clean interior.
Ryan Little.
Alright guys, today was definitely freaking crazy. I'm about to leave the convention center. All the cars are revving and making crazy noise. But I'm about to get out of here. If you guys like this video, definitely smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be more dope content on the way. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Guys, if there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.